Now you can tell me your question.
In a pair of complementary angles, each angle cannot be more than 90 degree or 45 degree. Like it is a fill in the blanks question.
Okay. So what are complementary angles?
Complementary angle whose sum cannot be more than 90 degree.
Yes. So it should be complementary, right? It should not be more than this.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom, when are you going to start comparing in quantities?
Today itself. Just a minute. Okay. Let's just start. So the first concept over here is ratios. Okay. So what are the ratios over here? Like, so ratio is nothing. Ratio, it is like used to compare two quantities. These quantities must have the same units. The ratio is represented by the symbol 2.
Mom,
We write it like this.
Mama, sorry for coming late, ma. But the way my teacher tells a ratio is that ratio is just like it's just like a type. It's a form. It's a different form of a fraction where it's where we use the ratio is equal to sign. It denotes and is used for things which need ratios. For example, ingredients in a cake.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So everyone can switch on your cameras. I can see you people. Okay. So it's like 2:3, right? Let's just say if I gave you 2 kg and one I gave you 3 kilometers. You cannot write them in ratios. The reason being their units are different, right? So the unit should be same to write the things in ratios. Clear?
Or
Okay.
or like it could be 2 kg to the ratio of 3 kilometer if
You have to.
according to the passage, if according to the passage it makes sense.
So you have to first convert it and then only it would be same. The denominator and numerator should be same.
For
Okay.
example, you will need
Wait,
5
wait, wait.
liters of oil for 3
Yes.
kilometers, like that.
Yes. Okay. Everybody, this is a question. The heights are given to you.
Divided by 5.
So whenever the ratios are given, let's just say I gave you 12 ratio 14. So it's like 12 divided by 14. So 2, 6 and 2, 7. So what will be the ratio? 6:7.
6 and
Similarly, you
7.
have to find it here.
Yeah, 25 into so 25. Mom, I got the answers. Mom, can I tell the answer for what's the ratio?
Wait a minute. Let everybody finish.
Ma'am, we start with Sam's height, right? Ma'am, I got the answer. Can I say?
Finished, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Finished, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Sam.
Tell me the answer, Ibrahim.
Ma'am, the answer is going to be we divide 175 and 125 divided by 5. So 125 is going to be 25. And then
Tell me the final
170.
answer.
Yeah, the final answer is going to be 35 is to ratio of 25. We can further simplify it, but I did it till here.
So what is the final answer?
The final answer is going to be 7 is to the ratio of 5.
Correct. Okay. Now let's just come to the next one, equivalent ratios. So the equivalent ratio is like the equivalent fraction. So that to find the equivalent ratio, we need to write it in the form of fraction. To find the equivalent ratio, we need to multiply or divide the numerator and the denominator with the same number. Now let's just understand. For example, I gave you 5 ratio to equivalent ratio, 5 ratio 20, right? And I'm asking you to find the equivalent ratios, right? So how do we find it? So we will just multiply it, right? Okay, got it?
Yes.
So it's like 5 divided by 20. You will multiply it with, let's just say, 2 and 2. So you got 10 and you got 40. Done?
Yes.
Got it? And over here, 5 divided by 20, you will divide it with the same number. So 5 and 5 is possible. So you got 1 upon 4. And even if you will simplify, you get it 1 upon 4. Got my point? Everybody?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, should we write this one?
Ma'am, the meaning 1 is to 4 is much different from the meaning of 1 by 4, right?
Hmm.
Means 1 is to 4 means that 4 times 1 of that. Like for example, ingredients of a cake, sugar should be 4 times more than the salt, but 1
Hmm.
by 4 is much different, means 1 by 4 of a teaspoon. So it's
Yes.
completely different.
Hmm.
Even though they both are similar form, have the same form.
Hmm.
Ma'am, by the way, my teacher told me the prime factorization method.
Sorry?
For like finding the square root of a number.
Hmm.
Like, ma'am, I can't believe we didn't learn it in maths, but in the IT exam we have questions related to math, and we literally had to study about square root in IT.
Hmm. Yes, some things are related.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope
I can't
everybody wrote this.
wait.
Anyone who's still writing?
No, ma'am.
No?
No, ma'am.
I can't see most of the people, so I don't know. Okay. Now to compare that the two fractions are equivalent or not, we need to convert them in the form of a like fraction. You know how to convert it into the like fraction, right? And then like fractions are the fraction with the same denominators. So you have to find 2 ratio 3 and 3:4. They are equivalent or not? So first of all, you will make the denominator same, right? So quickly do it and tell me, are they equal or not? I have to write this first and then solve the question and tell me the answer.
Oh, that's funny. Ma'am, they're equivalent. What, ma'am? Ma'am, I couldn't hear you, ma'am.
Yes, let's see.
Wait, let me double check. Yeah, yes. Oh, no, 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 they're not. They're close to being equivalent. Can't believe it. Ma'am, is it possible that we can have such a number which is like this, but it somehow is equivalent?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can we have numbers like this? Like because 2 to the ratio 3 and 3 to the ratio 4 are very close to being equal. Is there an example of a ratio or fraction that can be equal even though when we multiply them it doesn't happen? Like we don't get that number? Is it possible?
You have to find it. Like you have to do a little bit of experiment to find that pair.
Okay. Because 2 to the ratio 3 and 3 to the ratio 4 are close to each other. That's why I was asking about it.
See. Okay, others done?
They're like close, very close.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Okay, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they are equivalent or not?
Ma'am, they're not equivalent.
They are
Yes.
not equivalent.
Yes, because if you will
Can
do
you
it
explain
within,
how they are not equivalent? I can't
yes,
understand.
you will take the LCM first, right? 3 and 4, the LCM is 12.
Well,
So 2 upon 3, multiply 12. So 3, 4, and here also 4. So 8 upon 12 you got here. And then 3 upon 4, multiply 12. So 4, 3, 3, 9 upon 12. So 8 upon 12 and 9 upon 12. So they are not equal, right?
yes, ma'am.
Quickly write it down, then we will move to the next part.
Done, ma'am.
Hmm. Proportions or proportions?
Yeah, ma'am. They're like it's like A is to the ratio of B, and then it is proportional to C to the ratio of D. We learned this as well.
Wait a minute.
Right?
Let me explain, Ibrahim. You read it, but others other. So proportions show the equality between two ratios. If two ratios are proportion, then there must be equal. This is very important for 1 mark. If the
Yes, ma'am.
ratios are in proportion, that means they are equal. The unequal numbers cannot be in a proportion. So let's just say the actual height of a building divided by actual height of a tree. Height of the building in drawing and height of the building in drawing. Right? So this is like their proportion. Clear?
Yeah,
Got
ma'am.
it?
Can I tell?
Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, like also, ma'am, to find if the proportion is correct, what we do
Hmm.
is we take the means and the what's it called? Then there's something in the middle. I forgot what it's called. Like for example, if it is A to the ratio of B, proportional to C to the ratio of D, we take
Hmm.
B and C and then together and then we multiply it. And if it's equal to A multiplied by D, then yeah, they're proportional.
Hmm.
Yeah, means and extremes. The middle terms are called means and the outside terms are called extremes.
Okay, Ibrahim. Everybody got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ibrahim will be
Ma'am,
taking. Everybody is like, what did Ibrahim say? I didn't know.
ma'am,
Okay, everybody wrote
I'm,
this? Wait a minute, Ibrahim. Let me explain.
Just 1 minute.
Not a thing.
I forgot that this was a part of comparing quantities. I thought it was related to proportions and ratios. Never mind.
Mom finished.
Oh, it makes sense. I'm like, if the actual height of the building and the height of the building in the drawing is, for example, 3 to the ratio of 1, means that the height of the building is 3 times of in the picture, and it is the same for the tree, it will be proportional, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's how it works.
Okay, everybody has written this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this is a question. Can anyone try this? If the cost
Ma'am,
of
can I
this
try?
time is then no, you
Ma'am,
have to
can I try?
solve it in the notebook.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here we use the simple equations here as well.
Mom,
This,
can I try?
Ma'am, can I try explaining?
No,
Because I think
let others think about it once.
why this one is so simple. I remember it so. Alhamdulillah. 25.
Mom, I got the answer.
Ma'am, I got the wait. 200. So then 64 has to be multiplied with a random number. Hmm.
Okay, I think everybody has finished. We can discuss it, right?
Mom, can I try explaining? I didn't get the answer till now, but
Okay, first Shreya will tell me the answer this time because the previous question Ibrahim told.
okay, Mom.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, cross. We have to do cross.
Yes, Shreya, what you got?
The answer should explain the process also with it.
Yeah, you can explain it then.
Okay, so to find the cost of 25 strawberries, we have to first find the cost of one strawberry. So we have to divide 64 by 8 first. So the answer will be 8. And then to find the cost of 25 strawberries, we have to multiply 25 by 8. And 200. Will be 200.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody got it? So first you will find the value of 1. So you got it by
Yes,
dividing
ma'am.
it, and then whatever the value of one strawberry came and you got it like this. Clear? Any doubt, any confusion? Ibrahim,
No,
do
Mom.
you have any other?
Ma'am, what we did is we did it in proportional form.
Hmm.
So what we do is we do 8 upon 64 means 8
Hmm.
strawberries out of 64 rupees, and then that's going to be equal to 25 strawberries upon X. Now
So
we do
students,
cross multiplication. We do cross multiplication
this
here.
is
So
the
we do.
proportional method, right?
So
Which
we get
Ibrahim is saying.
8x. So now we write 8x is equal to 64 into 25. So yeah, that's it. I didn't completely multiply 64 and 25. That's why.
Yes.
I'll just do it now.
Yeah, so I'll just tell you this is the unitary method which Shreya did. Now this is the proportional method. So it's like the cost of 8 strawberries is 64. So 64,
It's harder, but it's
right?
harder.
Multiplied by equals to 25. So 25, and we don't know what will be the cost of this. So 24. See, I hope you are getting it. 8 strawberries are for 64. Wait a minute, Abraham, let me explain. 8 strawberries are for 64. 25 strawberry, you don't know the cost. So you took the cost for 24 strawberries X. Got the point? Why I wrote it like this? 8 strawberry are for 64 and 25 strawberries you don't know for how much. Clear? Is this clear to everybody? Till here what I do? Yeah. Okay. So now we will be doing the cross multiplication, right? So 8 would be 8x and this 25 multiplied by 64. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, ma'am. Mama, I did a mistake.
And
Like
then
when
wait a minute, Ibrahim.
I
So 25 multiplied by 64 divided by 8. Okay. And after solving this, what you got? 200. You can solve it. Got it? So this is in case if they are asking you to follow the proportional method, you have to follow this. In case they have just simply given the question, this is the method which Shreya explained. This is unitary method. Okay.
very
And
simple
this
method.
method is your proportional method. You can copy this down.
Mom, if you see, Mom, we're actually relating to them. Like, if you go deeper and deeper into it, it sounds like the unitary method and the proportional method, they're slightly related to each other. For example,
Yes.
like 8, and then instead of multiplying it with 25, we just directly do it with x and like we do the stuff.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, again, it depends, na? In case they have given you the particular way, right? You have to follow that. You cannot follow, in case they have asked you for proportional method, you cannot do unitary method there. You will lose marks.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just wait for 1 more minute. Quickly note it, and then we will move to the next.
Ma'am, I don't know why it had to be 25 strawberries, ma'am. If it was 24 strawberries, we could easily simplify it.
Ibrahim, I'll ask the NCRT people to remove this 25 strawberries to add whatever strawberries Ibrahim want. Is it?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much you want, Ibrahim? 50?
Ma'am, 24 strawberries.
24
Enough, ma'am.
strawberries. Okay, next time I'll ask them to update the book. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by the way, ma'am, like this proportional method, we're using ratios only, right? Or like, can we use fractions in the exam?
Yeah, any way you can use, not a problem.
Because like I was confused in the first place. It was taking me much time because I was doing accidentally 64 to the ratio of 8 is to proportional to 25 to the ratio of x. But I forgot the order.
But you don't have to. You have to be very attentive when you're solving the question.
Okay,
You cannot forget things in the exam hall, at least.
yes, ma'am.
Mom, imagine a teacher is teaching to the students, and the teacher, like the teacher himself forgets what to teach.
Exactly. Then, Ibrahim, this is not acceptable. Our students are not
Okay.
happy. They're disappointed with the statement.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry,
You
ma'am.
have to build your trust. You are the secondary teacher of our class. You have to build the trust. Students are
What do you
disappointed
mean,
here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's just move to the next topic, percentage. Okay, so what is percentage
There
is the
is
another way of
In comparing
comparison.
quantities, percentage is also there.
Yes,
percentage is the easiest. Just multiply
very easy.
any number by 100, and you get the percentage. For example,
Okay,
20 out
wait,
of
wait, wait, wait,
20 out
wait.
of
Let me explain. The percentage is another way of comparison. See, there are different, that's why this chapter is comparing quantities. You will find the different methods to compare it, right? So in ratios, we have to make the denominator same. Then, like when we were doing ratios, we were making the denominator same and then we were comparing it, right? But in percentage, we can compare by calculating the percentage of the given quantity. The percentage is the numerator of the fraction with 100 as a denominator, right? So symbol, we know that. So 1 out of 100 or 1/100th 1%, right? So 1 upon 100. Okay, if I give you 2%, that means 2 upon 100. If I give you 48%, it would be 48 divided by 100. Clear? Got it? Everybody got it? Any doubt, any confusion?
No, mom.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, why does it look like 0 upon 0?
Where?
Like the percentage sign, it looks like a 0 upon 0.
This is the percentage sign. You cannot.
Yeah, I'm like, why isn't it showing the denominator as 100? Like, is there something behind why it is like that? Or it's just made like that to denote that it's upon 100?
Yes.
Oh, so it's going to be really hard to write 100 like upon that. So it's going to be really bulgy. That's why they did it like that, right? 0.0.
Then my
Mom, can we start?
Okay. Now this is the question. Everybody do it and tell me the answer.
This is simple. If we try, obviously.
Ma'am, can you like just say how should we solve this? Like a brief
Mom,
explanation.
what we just do is percentage of boys and girls in the class of 100
Hmm.
students. So we do so what we do is we do 55 multiplied by 100, and that's how we get percentage. Percentage is just
I don't
multiplying the
know.
number by.
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah, Mom, it's like that,
Percentage is
right?
so simple, ma'am. It's so easy, Ibrahim.
Like,
These were your statements.
Mhm.
Percentage. Oh, ma'am.
no, not 55 multiplied by 100. That's just something else.
These were
Like,
your
it's
wordings.
gonna
So
be
I don't know what to
55.
do, what not to do.
Ma'am, it's 55 upon 100 multiplied by 100.
Wow,
That's
new theories. 55 divided by 100 multiply by 100, right?
Yes, ma'am. It's like that
Okay,
only.
do it, do
It
it,
is
do it.
55. Ma'am, it's like that only, right?
Yes.
Thank God. I was scared. Ma'am, it's out of 100, so they're directly already percentages. So the answer is directly the number of boys and girls. Like,
Sorry, Brian.
ma'am, the 100 and 100 get cancelled, right? So it's gonna be just the number of boys and girls. Exactly. That's what. Done, mom. Mom, I finished writing down the answer.
Mom, I'm not sure about this, but then I wrote the answer.
Oh, yeah. This one we simplify it. So, 4 up. No, no, not 4. Ah, yes. 2. So, 4, 200. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, mom, it's the same thing only. Mom, it's the same thing only. Denominator.
Okay. This
Mama,
one,
why do we have to
students.
make a denominator 100, mom? Don't we have to
So over here, the
multiply
total
the
percentage was 100 only, right? There were 100 students. So that means whenever you convert anything into percentage, we write it like this: 55 divided by the total. Total was 100, and whenever you're converting it, you'll multiply it with 100. So 100 and 100 got cancelled and 55%.
Yes.
And
Yes, yes.
similarly here, 45%, right? But in this case, if the total number of a quantity is not 100, over here, out of 4 B's, 2 are going right and 2 are going left. So what percentage of B is going right? So how do we find it?
50%.
Like in this case, there is no
Mom,
100, right? So 100 and 100 won't be
not for
cancelled.
4.
So we do it
Mom, we
like
do
this. 2, what is the total? 4 multiplied by 100. So we got 200 divided by 4. So that means 50%. Clear?
Yes,
Everybody
mom.
got it? Any confusion, any doubt?
No, mom.
No, Mom.
Okay, I'll give you another
So,
question.
Ma'am,
We
in
do the
this
same thing for
example
marks.
one which you gave, like boys and girls thingy was like they have to do both separate, right?
Yes,
Okay.
because the numbers are
Ma'am,
different, right?
like they do the same thing for our exams. That's how they give us the percentage, total percentage.
Same question you got.
Ma'am, I didn't get it. No.
You said something, no? That same question you got or something like that.
No. Ma'am, like my teacher told me that like it's the exact same way they calculate the percentage for our marks in the exams. Like they do the exact
Okay.
same thing. Like I used to think percentage was much harder, but it's not.
Okay. Okay. Students, I'll give you a few questions. I hope everybody has written this.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No? Yes. Okay. Anyone who's still writing?
Ma'am, just 1 minute.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Take your time.
Ma'am, here like after we do multiplication, then like 200 by 4 we got, right? Then we will divide it, right?
Sorry, can you please pardon?
Like we multiplied 2 by 4 into 100, then we got 200 by 4, right? We will again divide it, right?
Yes. To get the whole number.
Okay.
Ma'am, when we divide a number from like with a decimal, it becomes bigger, right? Like for example, 2 divided by 0.5. Why does it become 4? I don't understand.
This is the question. So it is like 5 by 10. So it goes like this 2 multiplied by 10 by 5. So it goes 20 divided by 5. So the answer is 4.
Oh, it's because we convert the decimal into a fraction and then we do reciprocal.
Exactly. Got it?
Oh, I understand now.
I'm finished.
Okay.
Makes
There you go,
sense now.
everybody. I've already taught you these two concepts. So stay focused and complete it. And if Ibrahim will say a word in between, he won't get a chance to answer.
No, I won't tell anything.
So pin drop silence now.
Ma'am, 1,000 meter make a thousand like 1,000 centimeter make 1 meter, right?
Sorry, Brian.
Ma'am, 1,000 centimeter make 1 meter, right?
Hmm.
Ma'am, I got all the answers. Ma'am, is it okay if we don't make it completely simplified?
Sorry?
Ma'am, is it okay if we don't make it completely simplified? For example, like for example, 720 and 36. I only simplified it a little. Is it okay? Ma'am, it's no problem if we just simplify it a little at least, right? Wait. Ma'am, can we do it?
Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's just wait for one more minute, then we will discuss the answers.
Ma'am, can we do it now?
Okay, let's just discuss the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope everybody has finished. Anyone who's still doing? No? Okay. Ibrahim will tell me the first one.
Ma'am, can I then tell the last one as well?
No, Ibrahim, only one question is allowed because there are other people as well.
No, ma'am, one last question, ma'am, please.
Then you will, okay, you want to answer the last one, this 30 days into 36 hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then first one, Basim, you can tell.
Yay. Alhamdulillah.
Ma'am, first one I got 10 is to 1.
What?
Ma'am, I got 10 is to 1.
Oh, it's the
Okay, correct.
opposite.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, not the opposite.
Second one, Shreya. I can't
500 is
hear
to
you. Hmm.
500:7.
507, right? 500. Okay.
7
Third
is
one, Mariam, you're there? Mariam, Bali. Any one of you? Okay, Mariam is not here. Okay, Wali, you're there? Wali, I can't hear you if you're saying something. Her mic is not working. Okay, then Basim, tell me the third one.
Ma'am, the third one I got 100:3.
Correct. Okay,
Oh, I got it
now
wrong.
Ibrahim.
I got it 1,003.
What do you want?
Mom, I got 1,003.
1000? How come?
Mom, I don't know why. I like
Ibrahim, which mathematics you are solving or which formula you are
Mama,
using?
Mama, 1,000 meter is equal to no, like
It's 1 meter equals
1 centimeter.
to 100 centimeters.
Oh, I thought
1000
it's 1,000.
centimeters?
Mama,
Ibrahim, who is teaching you these formulas, huh? Or these conversion? Some years
no, Mama, I
Ibrahim
didn't
is
learn
following
this
some different rule.
conversion. Mama, we didn't learn these conversions. We only learned the other conversions except this one. Mom, I don't remember doing this one. I promise
Ibrahim
you,
is
Mom.
like, ma'am, I to learn this. I don't know where and when. But yeah, there was a formula like this which says 1 meter equals to 1000 centimeter. Is it?
No, like I
New
asked
book
you,
would
Mom,
be
and you.
published from next year
Mom, I think I got
onwards.
confused now. I got confused now. I think I got confused.
Okay, tell me the last one.
Mom, the last one is going to be 3 to the ratio of 6 is proportional to x to the ratio of 24. So
Tell
it's
me
going to
the
be
final
6 is
answer.
6x is equal to 72, so it's 12.
Well,
Yeah, 12.
Ibrahim, which formula you use again?
Mom, it's 12 only, Mom.
Okay, Shreya and Basim, you got 12?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What do you people got?
It's
I
12
got
only.
20:1.
20 is to
Okay.
1.
Ibrahim, which formula? I want to know which book you are
No,
following right now.
oh, okay. Mom, you're talking
And
about
Ibrahim
the.
was, very much excited about answering the last question. And I was like, okay. And now,
No, I was thinking you're talking about the second question.
second question. Ibrahim, we are on the last question. How come you are on the second question? Okay, you meant to say this one. We are here. We are still here. What you got for this? Tell me.
Oh, no, I was going for the second one. I
Quick,
got
quick, quick. We are
12.
running out of time. Quick, quick, quick. What do
Okay,
you got
okay,
for this?
Mama.
Tell
The
me.
answer for this one is 360 to 18. The D one.
This is also wrong.
Mom, 360 to 80, Mom. 18.
No, this is wrong. Okay.